Hi everybody, it's Catherine. It is Saturday. It's Open House Saturday, January 4th. Just wanted to invite you guys to my open house today at 11275 Columbine Street in Firestone. It is located in Mountain Shadows. This home is one of the largest lots in Mountain Shadows. Original owner. It was the first house built in Mountain Shadows. It is gorgeous. It's huge. It's got 4 bedrooms plus a loft area, which could be converted into a 5th bedroom if you wanted to. Little under 4,000 square foot, unfinished basement. Gorgeous, gorgeous, original tongue and groove hardwood flooring. It's not engineered wood. It is tongue and groove hardwood floors. Formal dining room, formal living room, oversized 3-car garage. So this home really has a lot to offer. And if you're not familiar with Mountain Shadows, it's a pretty secluded, nice little subdivision. It is on the market for $649,000. I'd love to see you there. And remember, if you do choose to stop by, always bring me a cup of coffee. I'm always trying to get that coffee because you know how much I love coffee. Hey, have a beautiful Saturday, even if I don't see you. Here's to 2025. Bye.